All right, this is a quick video of my 2009 Hummer H3T Alpha Off-Road Luxury Edition. It's equipped with 5.3 Vortec V8. (4:1) transfer case ratio. Real quick, I want to point this out. These aren't scratches on the paint or anything like that. It's actually, if you look real close, it's a plastic cover that sits over the body there to protect it from scratches. As you can see, all the little scratches it's gotten over the years. However, you can tell the clear coat's kind of starting to fade on this fender, and it's kind of like that all around. Not too bad, but it's noticeable in the daytime. Pretty much brand new Nito trail grapplers all around. Put these on back in June. I've probably got about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on them now. I only drive about 20 miles to work every day, and this is my daily. Got plenty of tread on them. And those are the factory Hummer wheels. I just painted them black, kind of going with the whole blacked out look on this Hummer. Brush guard, light bar on the front, and a 12,500 pound tough stuff winch. You see the hook connected to the D-ring on the passenger side. Light bar works great. Switch is activated in one of the auxiliary inputs on the driver's side that I'll show you in a minute. No cracks in the headlights. Everything works as should. Same thing on this side. You can see the plastic cover right here. A little bit of a fade going on right there. See if I can get that in the light. Moving on down the line. Get a good shot of that wheel right there. I've owned this car since October of 2020. Put about 24,000 miles on it, I believe. No issues whatsoever. When I bought it, it actually did not have the middle section cab marker lights. It was missing. These are notorious for ripping off and going up when you're going down the interstate or the highway at high speeds. This one I've secured onto the top, however. Haven't had any issues. Very expensive and very hard to find if you ever lose that. Take a look here inside. Passenger side front door, inside. I've actually have a set of Armor All rubber mats that will come with the truck. I've just removed them for the sake of this video so I can show you that the carpet's in great shape. Passenger side. All black leather interior in this Hummer. Alpha embroidery on the headrests. Of course, factory touchscreen navigation. We'll fire that up in a minute. Daystar storage compartment that really just clips into the dash right here. And these little spots you see on the sides. Go down here and look at the carpet. Here's a carpet mat right here that just clips into these back clips right here. I'm gonna lift it up to show you. But the carpet is in great shape. Fantastic shape. I know it's kind of dark, but it is in great shape. No tears or stains. Here, as well as on the driver's side, you got lumbar support here. It is adjustable. Power adjustments here minus your lever for adjusting the back panel. Everything works as should. Of course, the front two seats are heated. You have a high setting and a low setting. Real handy when it gets cold. Glove compartment. I have 2 owner's manuals that come with the vehicle. Moving on to the back. Passenger side door, rear passenger side door. Rear leather is in perfect condition. No tears, no rips, no stains, nothing. Great shape. Get better shot on the other side when the sun's not coming in. Still has the removable cargo nets in the back. If you've ever owned an H3, these things are not the best to work with. Again, in the back, carpet cover goes all the way across. Real quickly, you can see right here, no stains on the carpet. Everything is immaculate. I do want to point out when coming to the back right here, get to this fender, have a little bit of a bruise right here on the side. A scratch mark, it works its way on this back panel. Very surface level, very surface level, a little bit one on top. You can't even feel that they're on there, but it does go back into this deeper cut, a little bit of an indentation right here as well. And also, shut this right quick. A little bit of a scrape right here as well. Very surface level. Can't really feel that one either. All right, moving on to the back. So rear fender flares, these were specifically designed for the H3T. They made some for the H3, but the rears actually do not fit the H3T. They come in 2 sections, and they're a little bit too short to conjoin to the middle. Bought these from a gentleman in Alaska from an H3T owners group on Facebook. He had an extra set and was willing to sell them to me. They really complement the truck. Moving on to the back. A little bit of mud right there. I live in rural Alabama, so it's really hard to keep clean all the time. The plastic trim's in great shape. This bumper's in great shape. One rear D-ring on the right-hand side. Hitch set up in the back. Rear view camera. Hummer logo, H3T sign, and of course the notorious Alpha emblem. You notice on the back, on this side of the bumper, got a little bit of some bruises right there on this back corner. Open up the tailgate. I have a X-Tang Trifecta 2.0 mounted to the top. It's a tonneau cover, trifold. Tailgate, the bed is in awesome shape. Very cool Hummer logo going in the back right there. It's a little bit dark in here, see if I can't get it to adjust. It's in great shape. These rails come in handy when you're trying to strap something down. You actually have these brackets right here that mount to the rails. Allows you to run hooks or ratchet straps or rope or anything that you need to tie something down. I have 4 right here mounted on the outside. However, I have 8 total. They're actually in these little compartments. Right here's 4 compartments that you can see all around. And they just pop up and out, and you're able to store things in there like, you know, WD-40 or rags for doing an oil change. I just happen to store these little brackets in there, 1 in each compartment for a total of 8, 4 on the outside. Tonneau cover is practically new. I bought it back in May. No tears or rips in it either. Plastic trim's looking good, no cracks or anything in the in the glass here in the back. I have a key for this, don't worry, you got to. Gotta have those. It's got a nice Hummer logo going across to it as well. Sorry for the dirt. I just washed it yesterday. A little bit of a surface scrape right here. You can't feel it, but you can see it. Moving on down the line. Hummer step-up bars on both sides. Rear driver section here. See if I can get a good shot of that leather. You can see. Great shape, no tears, nothing. Also the liner in the roof of the cab. No stains, no tears. It's in great shape. Rear carpet. And then finally, driver. Controls here, unlock, lock, rear windows, front two windows, child lock. And then of course your adjustable mirrors right here. Everything works as should. And as can be seen in the other video, carpet again. Great shape. No stains, no rot. Lumbar support. Power adjustments. And high heat, low heat for your heated seat. Gonna fire it up. $188,000 miles. No dash lights, no check engine light, no tire pressure sensor light, very common in these H3s and H3Ts. Buttons for low and for high. Also on the right hand side you'll see your controls for your front and rear locking differentials. If I can get it to focus. There it is. Runs like a champ. Never had a single issue out of this engine. Cab marker lights work just fine. Side marker lights. The whole nine. And there you have it, folks. Get you a shot of the hood right quick. I actually have hood lover handles from HD Tuning that I purchased a month ago, and I have not put them on. I will make sure I take pictures of those as well. And that's it. Thanks.